Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install GitHub Copilot CLI on vscode. This is really simple. At first, you have to download vscode in your PC. Here you can see I have already vscode in my PC. If I open it, here you can see. Basically, what you have to do, you have to actually install vscode in your PC. This is really simple, and I'm assuming that you can install vscode in your PC. In the browser, we're going to search for GitHub Copilot CLI, and here you can see GitHub Copilot CLI.com features. So we are going to go with this one, and here you can see you have Copilot here, and now we'll click here install now, and here you will find all the installation process. So basically, if you are from Windows, you can actually use those command in your PC. Now you can see GitHub Copilot. So we are going to actually copy this, and we are going to go to the vscode, and here we have a terminal. Here you can see a new terminal. So you'll find this. Right click on it to paste it. Here you can see it already installing. Now, do you agree to all source agreement terms? We'll say yes. Why? For the yes. You can see it's downloading, and it's almost 54.2 megabyte. So we have to wait for this. Here we go. Now let's go for the next command, and we'll go back to the browser, and here you can see this is this. So I'm going to copy this, and let's paste it in the terminal once again. Here we go. Now if we say here Copilot, hit enter. Here you can see we have successfully installed Copilot in our PC. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.